You see it? A tiny hairline crack creeping across your wall. Harmless, right? Just house settling. But what if I told you that that small crack could be the first domino in a chain reaction that leads to a collapsing walls, water flooding, as well as a repair bill that could wipe out your savings account? I've seen it happen before, and it always starts small. Hey good people, Inspector Q here from Pro Inspect Solutions. I've inspected hundreds of homes, old, new, big, and small, and I can tell you one thing with certainty. Foundation problems don't start as disasters. They become disasters because people ignore the early signs. Today, I'm taking you deep into what those signs are, why they matter, and how acting early can save you tens of thousands of dollars. Picture this, you've got a beautiful 3-bedroom home, maybe a few years old, no major issues. You notice a small crack above the door frame. You paint over it and life goes on. But here's the truth. That crack might be your house whispering that the foundation is moving. And when the ground shifts under your home, every inch of that movement causes stress on your walls, floors, and even your roof. If you start noticing doors or windows sticking for no clear reason, gaps forming between your cabinets and walls, or floors that suddenly seem to slope when they didn't before, these could all be signs of something more serious. And if you step outside and spot stair-step cracks in your brickwork or even in your chimney that looks like it's leaning, those are big red flags that shouldn't be ignored. These aren't random defects, they're connected clues. In my line of work, these usually mean differential settlement. Parts of your home is sinking at different rates. And trust me, when that happens, the problems compound fast. Here's the true cost of doing nothing in the domino effect. Ignore the signs of your house and keep it moving. See cracks that widen, floors that slope more, and soon your walls will start bowing underneath this stress. When foundation cracks allow water to seep in, it can lead to damp crawl spaces and even mold growth. These same cracks can also create easy entry points for pests like termites and rodents. On top of that, shifting in the foundation can put stress on electrical and plumbing lines, potentially causing them to break or malfunction. Here's the financial reality check. Foundation issues can knock 10 to 25% off your home's value. That's $40,000 to $100,000 gone on a $400,000 property. And when it's time to sell, you'll have to disclose that issue, scaring off buyers and lenders alike. Now let's talk about how repair costs can escalate very quickly. If you catch a crack early, you might spend $500 to $1,500. If you wait until you got a structural failure, you're looking at $15,000 to $30,000 for underpinning. And that's before repairing all the cosmetic damage inside. Now, if any of this sounds familiar, pause this video and grab my free downloadable foundation red flag checklist in the description below. Walk through your home today and don't wait until the damage becomes irreversible. Let's keep moving. So how to protect your home? First, document everything. Take clear photos of any cracks, measure the width and length, and mark with tape to track changes. Pay special attention to horizontal cracks. These often mean serious structural pressures. Number 2, call the right pro at the right time. Structural engineer for diagnosis. Foundation repair company for execution. Always get multiple opinions and estimates. Number 3, understand the fixes. Epoxy injection for minor cracks. Steel piers or helical piles for sinking foundations. Carbon fiber straps or wall anchors for bowing walls. Number 4, weigh the cost now versus later. Small repairs, hundreds. Big fixes, tens of thousands plus loss in home value. Proactive beats reactive always. Your home is more than just walls and a roof. It's where life happens. A small crack isn't a cosmetic flaw. It's a conversation starter between you and your home. Listen to its early signs and protect your investment, your safety, and your peace of mind. Don't gamble with your foundation. Download the free checklist, share this video with another homeowner, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next one, where I'll break down the quick 5-minute inspection and that could save you thousands. Again, this is Inspector Q with Pro Inspect Solutions. I'll see you on the next video.